I'm about to take this car seat, try to stick it into this Mustang. I'm not entirely sure how good this is going to be, but we're going to find out today. So, about to go in and get this little motherfucker here, see if we can't get it in the back of the Mustang. Wish me luck.
First attempt.
First attempt ever in life.
Trying to put this in the car.
A child seat. So the long, arduous task of rolling the seat forward.
Come here. Don't go up that way. Appreciate you. I'm here for guidance. We're going to ride in Jeff's car.
Yeah, then we're going to take the Batmobile, man. Slide that way, scooter.
But I don't know.
You know what? You got English.
Is that your seat? That's your seat. Yes. Because we're going to go for a ride. Do you want me to help you?
You want me to see her? I got this.
Not yet.
Not yet, buddy.
Not yet.
Back on up. Back on your old truck. Shoes off the paint. Shoes off the paint. Shoes off the paint. Shoes off the paint.
Yep.
Yep. Oh, that'd be a nice photo.
I saw.
4 minutes in. We're almost done. He's trying to put the seatbelt through the back.
Oh! I'm the man!
Look. Has this done baseball?
Mary getting strapped in tight. Amir is fully immersed in the Mustang. This is the first time a child seat is being strapped into this car. So this is hilarious. Go, Amir, go!
All right,
Get it go? Let's see Amir emerge. That's just because you're smaller than me.
that doesn't mean anything.
Hey, we're going hard to paint. Whose shirt is that, buddy?
It's your dad's.
Whose shirt is that?
It's my dad.
That's your
Then
dad.
brush it off. Take it out. Take
Look
it
at
out.
you.
Do it like that. Get all the excess water off.
Auntie Mir.
Do whatever color you want.
Young Pablo Picasso.
There you
Let's
go.
go. There you go. What is that, a whale?
It's a, they're all dinosaurs, so that's a footprint. He's going to paint it all different colors. Instead of
Okay.
dunking it in there, he wants to, use it more efficient.
Okay, Auntie Mir. I got you. Can we determine why you don't want to be on camera? Why are you acting like this is TMZ?
Because I look a hot mess.
Shut your ass up. Anyway.
Get my hair done.
Stop it. Let's
I
try.
can't be on the camera if we got a nappy hair.
Anyways, I'm just, this is cousin duty. Hey. Hi. All that stuff. Kiss, 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 kiss. This is young Arm & Hammer's boy. His name is Avery. What's up, Tex? Look at him. Look at them golden, delicious curls. So, just got home after playing with this little fella all day. I'm worn out, so I guess y'all better pray for me because y'all know what's coming up for me. But I'm ready for a nap, so.